Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox the Ancel X7 car OBD2 diagnostic scan tool. Out of this postage box, I got the X7 plastic case unit. Let's take a look inside. Inside of this plastic case, I have a 10-inch tablet, and this is a Bluetooth wireless connection system. It's very good because I can scan the car, inside the car or outside the car. So when I work outside of the car, like the front of the car, of the engine, under the hood, so I don't need to have a long wire. And this is why that's very convenient to carry around when you work with your car. And I got user manual, and I think this is a password code for update. This is a Bluetooth unit. It connects to the I guess this one connect to the car OBD2 system. I think with this cable, plug in this end and go, and the other end go in the car OBD2 system, and this one will connect to the car, and that will have a wireless Bluetooth system connection. So I got a Bluetooth wireless connection. OBD2 cable connect to the Bluetooth system. This is a USB cable for connect to the tablet unit. And I think this is a USB cable for connect to this power outlet for charging the this guy here. So I think this guy inside has a built-in battery, so we need to be charged with this hookup, or this hookup directly. I need to take a look at the menu, but for sure this is a power adapter for charging. For these tablets, here's a power switch on the side and the volume. I think this should be the volume. And on the other side is a USB connection. And I guess this is for the sound come out those hoses. So also has a camera, and it can take picture and video. So let's turn on the unit, see what we got. That's very nice touch screen, and the screen so big, 10-inch, nice. and I cannot show you any diagnostic right now because I didn't connect to the car. I just turned on to see what I got when I turn it on for this unit. Yeah. Okay. Very nice, this tab. Very nice. Okay, that's all the items inside of this packing, inside the box. So if you like this video, please thumb up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will do another video to show how this X7 unit, how it works, and do the review. Thank you very much for watching.